So now I'm in the shipyard, and wow, it's so much bigger than I thought. Crazy big. Well, why everyone says it's small? Look, this is like a 16-foot boat, and it's small in here. Wow. Yeah, they made the base and everything, and then they slid it down into the water, and then they of course finished it probably in the water. Huh. Ancient crane. Wow. Ah, look, they even had the lights in there. So this was built in like 1200 AD. Hey, you see, this is a massive boat here. Yeah, this is probably a 35 foot. No, it's at least a 40 foot boat here. Let's see if it says. Yeah, 15 meters. So 15 times 3. Yeah, 50-foot boat. And it's small in here. Nice. Very nice. I can't believe this. All this is still standing. This is the best structure I've seen so far. It's not 2,000 years old, but it's definitely old, and it's right on the ocean, so it's always getting hammered by the waves. But I don't think they have too much. This is the southern Mediterranean, and these are all the. It's so weird of how they do these anchors. Oh wow. Look at that. Yeah, I've done this before, you know, tied people up. It's a quick way to get rid of them. Ah, see, everyone, they all go by the stars and the sun. Huh. And these are all your triangle shapes, sizes. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Huh. So I guess they must have hold the wood in here. This was the way out. I don't know. Oh, they probably, maybe they, I don't know. Huh. Yeah, and they got wood in here, so that would be my guess. They held all the wood in here to keep it out of the weather. Always got these stupid gates locked all the time. Look at this guy. He's spear fishing. Can you see him? He's down there. So now I'm in the shipyard, and wow, it's so much bigger than I thought. Yeah. Very nice. Very good. The only thing I'm thinking of is, why the hell didn't they move all these rocks? Now, you would think it would be, well, maybe it's easier to slide it on the rocks than slide it in the sand and dirt.